we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Exotic birds are, by definition, any non-indigenous species to the U.S. Birds have extremely high metabolic rates and an average body temperature 103 to 106. Injured or ill birds require supplemental heat in order to maintain their body temperature and, in many cases, is a life-saving measure.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.